Welcome back to Introduction to Excel. So this session we are going to explore generating numbers, generating series, generating random numbers, and generating number between ranges. So why do we need to explore this? Now, first of all, whenever we have a project or a certain sheet to work on, there are times where we don't have the actual figures. So while waiting for that input to come, we can fill it in with dummy numbers first, and then come about our formulas, so that whenever the data is ready, we can just plug them in and our work will be done. Okay, so let's try to look at the way Excel generates series. So for example, if I type in 44 over here, I want to generate number in the series 44, 45, 46, and so on. So I can put my cursor over here in the right bottom corner, click on it, pull it down all the way, and then you will see them generating static numbers. They are all the same. But wait until you fill it in with series. Because the default will be copy cells, copy each and every one with the same value, but of course fill it in with series. And you can see over here all of them are filled in with series already. It doesn't matter which number you start off with, say 500, 844, 844. You can fill it in with series the same way. Okay, just click here, bottom right corner, pull all the way down, then you fill series. Okay, there you go, fill in series. Of course, it doesn't just limit to numbers only. This feature, somehow it is smart enough to detect new numbers in your text even. So say text 001, see what happens if I pull it down. Okay, I fill it in with series, fill in series. Okay, so it's able to increment the numerical portion of your text. So it's quite smart, really. Okay, with that, we'll move on to the next portion, which is to generate random number. Okay, so random number, RAND, will generate for you any number between 0 to 1. Okay, only from 0 to 1. You pull it down, you will see it generating decimal numbers. So if you want to round them up or down, we'll talk about that one later. Okay, just talk about the generator for now. So a random number between 0 and 1 you generated already, and you can see that whenever there's an interaction on the sheet, whether you key in some new text, whatever it is, all these numbers will be regenerated. Okay, same goes with this other one, random number between two numbers. Okay, the bottom number and the top number. Should I say the bottom limit and the top limit? Okay, so 100 and 200, top here 200, bottom 100. Do not generate anything that exceeds those numbers. And there you go. And of course you can replicate to another column. Alright, and let's just have a look at the formula. Okay, so you come to the ribbon, click on formula, and show formula. Okay, you can see over here they are all just the same formula, but of course all the time generating different random numbers. You see here all the formulas, they are the same. Okay, now come back to results only. Okay, so now if I were to have a bit of challenge, okay? I want to only use rand to generate 100 to 200, this range, okay? What should I do? Well, we know that rand over here generates between 0 and 1, okay? Between these two numbers only. So how do we adjust our formula so that it fits this range? Well, first of all, what we can do is we can multiply by 100, right? So what happens when you multiply 0 by 100? You get 0 still. So 1 multiplied by 100, that's 100. Then you plus 100 over here. So what happens after you further plus 100 on 0? You get 100. So 100 plus 100, you get 200. So there you go. This is the range that you wanted. Now let's try and implement this. So 0 and 1, okay? Then what do you do now? Multiply by 100c, okay? Let's just see. Multiply by 100, you get anything that's between 0 and 100. And of course, random between, just say I multiply by 100, then plus 100, okay? So you will get a random number between 100 and 200. Let's try to extend this for a bit and see that it actually fits our criteria, okay? So a random number generated between these two. If we want to further clean up these values, we can actually use round. Okay, let's just look at this round. Rounding the number, say 5 to the closest number of digits. So let's just say 0.5. If we round it to decimal of 1, what happens? Okay, you still get this. Now, what happens if we were to say round 10.5? Okay, eliminate all the decimals. So 0 over here. So 0.5 will automatically round up to 11. The same goes over here. We will say I want to round this number in cell E28, round it up, but I want to eliminate all the digits, okay? The decimals. So I'll eliminate all the decimals, round it up. Okay, 7, you can see it will round up to 180, and then of course 6 is more than 5, is more than anything that's more than 0.4 will be rounded up 1 digit, and then this less than 0.4, it will be rounded down. So this is the rounding. So we've explored these few items. Okay, so that's all for this time. Okay, thank you.